A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students of class 9th, Boys High School, Kotleri, Zunbawar. I am your math sir, Abdul Ghaffar Thakur, teacher, Government High School, Kotleri. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, my topic is from Lines and Angles. It is question number 4 from the exercise 6.3 on the page number 139 according to your mathematics textbook. Here is the question. First of all, I will read the question. Question is in figure 6.52. It is the numbering of this figure. 6.52 is the numbering of this figure. If lines PQ and RS intersect at point T, here are two line segments. First is PQ, this line segment. Look here, dear students. Kindi PQ, it is first line segment, and RS is the another line segment. Both these two line segments intersect at point T, such that angle P or T, this angle P or T, it is equal to 40 degree. Angle RPT, this angle RPT, this is equal to 95 degree, and angle TSQ, this angle, it is equal to 75 degree. These three angles are given according to question. We have to find angle SQT, this angle SQT, this here is note of interrogation, this angle. We have to find this value, the degree measure of this angle SQT, this angle. We have to find the value of this angle, right? This is the question. I will repeat again. Actually, question is this figure. PQ and RS, these two line segments intersect each other at T, and this angle is equal to 40 degree, and this is equal to 95 degree, and this is equal to 75 degree. We have to determine the value of angle Q, right? Now, first of all, dear students, you know that when the two line segments intersect each other at one point, then the vertically opposite angles are always equal. Here we see that angle PTR, this angle, angle PTR is equal to angle STQ, angle STQ. In bracket we write the reason of this, about the equality of these two angles. We write here vertically opposite angles, right? First, again, in this triangle PRT, now we write here in triangle PRT, this triangle, we take this triangle PRT, this triangle. Dear students, you know that sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180. If we add three angles of any triangle, in a triangle there are three angles. The sum of these three angles in a triangle is 180 degree, right? Here we look at these out of the in this triangle P or T, out of these three angles, two are given, so we can find easily the third one, this angle PTR, right? We write here, therefore we write here in triangle PRT, angle P plus angle R plus angle T is equal to 180 degree. In bracket we write here sum of three angles, of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, angle T is equal to 180 minus 95 plus 40. Angle T is equal to 180 minus add these two angles, 5 then plus 4 is 13, 135. Angle T is equal to 45 degree. This is equal to 45 45 degree, right? Now this angle PTR is equal to angle STQ, because this angle and this angle, they are vertically opposite angles. Hence we write here, hence angle STQ, is also equal to 45. This angle is also equal to 45 degree. Again I repeat these steps. In we know that this triangle, in this triangle PRT, here are two angles given. 90, this is angle P, it is equal to 95 degree, and this angle R, it is equal to 40 degree. So we can easily find or determine the angle, this angle T. Right, we subtract this angle from 180 degree. We determine that this angle is equal to 45 degree. When this is 45 degree, this is also equal to 45 degree, because these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Now in this we take this triangle. Now in triangle STQ, here we apply same theorem, this angle property theorem. And when this theorem, that the sum of these three angles is again 180 degree. There we see that this is equal to 45, this is equal to 75, so we can get this angle easily, angle Q. In triangle STQ, angle T plus angle S plus angle Q is equal to 180, implies that we have to find angle Q. Angle Q is equal to 180 minus, we subtract the sum of these two angles from 180. 75 plus 45, 75 plus 45. Angle Q is equal to 180 minus, add these two angles, this is 120. Angle Q is equal to 60 degree. This angle is equal to 60 degree. This is the degree measure of this angle TQS or SQT. It is same thing. This angle Q is equal to 60 degree. This is the answer of this question number 4. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.